everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can store strawberries. So first of all, wash the strawberries and chop the head of the strawberries, and then put it in a box and put it in the freezer. So this is the first way of storing. You can freeze your strawberries and then use it later for smoothies or shakes or any other recipe as you use fresh strawberries. Then the second way is chop the strawberries or puree them in a blender and put it on the stove in a pan and add in some sugar as per your taste or as per your health concerns. You need to cook it until you get a strawberry jam kind of consistency. Just keep stirring it so that it don't get burned. It looks so beautiful. So here we are making a jam, or you can say strawberry sauce or strawberry puree. You can use it in cakes, you can use it in making smoothies, shakes, or you can just put it as a jam on a piece of bread. You can put it on pancakes, you can put it on ice cream as well. Just crush the strawberries using a potato masher, or like this how I'm doing it. Just crush them and keep stirring. Once done, you can store it in an airtight container and it can be stored for around a month, and you can use it for even making mojitos as well. Just add water, mint leaves and lemon to the strawberry sauce and you're good to go. So when the strawberries are cheaper in the market, you can buy a lot of them and then store them in these two ways that I'm telling you today. This process takes around 10 minutes. You can also mix it with the yogurt. It tastes really good. You will get strawberry flavored yogurt. So healthy, better than ice creams. If you puree the tomatoes in a blender and then make it, yes, definitely it will cook faster. But if you keep strawberry pieces like this, so it tastes really good when you have jam with those strawberry pieces, and it tastes really good when you top it on a vanilla ice cream or strawberry ice cream. This is our end product. Look at this beauty. It looks so rich and delicious. I just can't wait to have a strawberry pancake, strawberry mojitos. Wow, it looks so delicious. Now I am pulling out the frozen strawberries after 4 or 5 hours. These are nicely done. Now I will put them in a packet with a ziplock. So here I have this packet of frozen mangoes and there is hardly 1 or 2 chunk of mango left, I guess. So I will just put the strawberries in. So I did not freeze strawberries. I mean, I could put these strawberries in the bag and then freeze it, but no, you have to freeze it the way I did so that they don't stick together. Now I am freezing it and I can use it whenever I want to make a strawberry jam or smoothie or whatever.